In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navbar color with a background in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or have some experience, this guide will help you customize your website's look effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Webflow website by opening your preferred browser and navigating to webflow.com. Webflow is a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites with ease. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first. Otherwise, it's time to log in. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, you'll find a button labeled Log In at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your personal dashboard. Now, within the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. This is the heart of your Webflow workspace, offering quick access to all your design projects. Look through your projects and click on the one you want to work with. Once your project opens, locate the navbar element within your project. You can do this either through the Elements panel or directly on your website canvas if it's visible. After selecting the navbar, navigate to the Style panel on the right-hand side. The Style panel is where the magic happens. It's your toolbox for changing the appearance of elements like size, position, color, and more. Next, click on Background within the Style panel. This section allows you to set the visual appearance behind your navbar. You can choose colors, gradients, or even images, depending on the design you wish to achieve. For changing the color, click on the color swatch to open the color picker. Now, you have a plethora of options at your fingertips. You can either pick a color using the color picker, enter a specific color code if you have one in mind, or use the eyedropper tool to select a color from anywhere on your screen. Once you've selected your desired color, you'll see it applied instantly to your navbar's background. And that's it! You've successfully changed the navbar color with a background in Webflow. Remember, if you're not completely satisfied with the first color you choose, you can always come back and tweak it until it perfectly fits the design you're envisioning. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your changes. Webflow provides a preview function that lets you see what your site will look like live without actually publishing it. This can be a handy way to ensure that every change meets your vision before it goes public. Thanks for following along, and happy designing! If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tutorials. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.